Hello, this is Jim Maratsky. Today I'm going to show all you Water Trails editors out there how to assign assets to a collection. A collection is usually a trail on this website, and an asset is a place folks can visit, like an access point to the trail, or a restaurant or a shop or something like that that you'd like to make part of that trail. To get started, you need to go to the editors page and log in. And only some users are allowed to edit collections, and so you should see a collection manager link over here on the left hand side once you've logged in. If you don't have that, give us a call and we can get you set up to deal with this. So I'm going to click Collection Manager, and now I want to go find the collection that I'm going to be working with. Let's see, in this one I'll choose Cruise Park to Lake Harbor Park. This will bring up the edit form for the collection, and if I scroll down a little ways, I'll see here a section entitled Assets, and it tells me here how many assets are currently associated with this collection. I can get a quick visual on that by scrolling down a little farther, and using the map here I can click on this collection, and that will just quickly show me a map view of all the collection, or all the assets that are in this particular collection. So let's say, for example, that I know that there's a particular asset that I would like to add to this collection, and I know what its name is. One way I can add that asset would be to just type part of its name here in this box, and then I can click Go, and a list of assets that meet that criteria will show up. And you'll see right here in the left hand side there's a box with a plus sign right now, and if it's a gray plus sign, then that means it's not part of the collection. So if I click that plus sign, it changes it to a green check mark, which means that it is now part of that collection. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I can close this window. Another way to find things would be to say just choose an attraction of some sort. This will give you a list of all the attractions that all the assets that meet that attraction within the whole website. So sometimes the list can be pretty long. That might not be the best way, but if you know the type of thing that you're after, you can go do it that way. If you want to remove something from this particular collection, then a quick way to do that is to click the This Collection button up here in Add or Remove Assets by Name, which will give you a list of the current assets within this collection, and then you can just check one of these boxes to actually remove something from that collection. Another way to do it is by using the map. So I've already shown you the ones that are in this particular collection. Another way that you can add assets to the collection is by using the map. And so you want to use this list here to choose what attraction type you'd like to see on the map. And if I click one and nothing happens, it uses the current view of the map to find which assets will be in there. So if I zoom out a little bit here, I can now go up and choose a different attraction type, or even the same attraction type, and then see what is on the map of that particular attraction type. And so if I now click campgrounds, now I see a whole series of campgrounds that appear on the map within the view that I've selected here. To add one of these, or to check its status, what I would do is click on that icon, and here in the description there'll be a Add to this collection link, or a link that shows that it already is in this collection. So maybe none of these are in this collection right now. If I click here to add this, then it shows up, and you can see here that I can also remove it from this in this collection as well, from this interface. So that's a couple of ways that you can use to add assets to the collection. You do have to add them one at a time, so it is a bit of work, but generally you can go through relatively quickly and make sure that all the assets that are assigned to this collection are appropriate and useful for the folks that are going to be visiting this area. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 231-929-3696 or email support@liaa.org. Thanks.